Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this stunning video effect in a Canva in a few minutes. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already opened another Canva. Go into the video section and just choose a video landscape. This will 1920 by 1080 pixels. And first we have to create the one of the frame. As you can see, there are two parts, one with the video background with the paper letters, and the other half is the opposite. So we can create one of them easily. So first I just looking for paper photos. I will use this, set this one as a background. So it's set it. Go into the elements, I was in elements, sorry. Scrolling down, go into the frames. So set this as a background first. That's important in this case. We can work on the Canva easily. Scrolling down to the letters. Now I will create with London. I don't know how many O's we have. I think already have enough. Yeah. Just decrease the size. London, I do not even need this O. You just duplicate this and already have a proper size. Same with the N. London. And select all. Position. Tied up. That's important. To tied up a bit. And group them. So I can just increasing the size and setting to the middle and center and ungroup it. That's important. This has to be ungrouped. Elements, and now I need the video from London. London. Sorry. Go into the video section and this one looks good. I just would have to see the size. Yeah, the size is perfect. And just moving the video to all the letters. So double click on the letter, moving to the left side to the top and fit the page. I think it was good or not. Yeah, now it's okay. Fit the page, done. So doing the same with the letter O. Oops, sorry. The N, moving to the left, increasing size until we hit the top, and increasing until we hitting the right side also. Doing the same with the D. It actually, the method is not important where we are increasing the size. I just for me it's better to choosing one of the corner and start to there. Okay, and the last letter is the N, to the top, moving to the left and to the right. Done. And now one thing is important, just to shrink to 7 seconds, I think. 7, yes. Sorry, that was not good. I need to shrink this one, the whole page. Something is wrong now. Okay. 7 seconds, yeah. Sorry, I just we have to deselect everything. And now what we need to do is first just checking it. Now it's nice, good. So we just need to group it, animate, scrolling down to the baseline from the right, and the speed to the minimum, and it keep it as 7 seconds. Yes, good. Now we just need to downloading it. Download. I just increasing the quality to the maximum. Now it's 4K. Due to we will use this video portion again, so for me the best way to doing it is always downloading the best possible quality. Then we will lose quality anyhow when we're working with it, so better to upscale it, then we still have a possibility to lose some quality. And this is just have to type London instead of Paris. Okay, now still downloading. You just have to wait until this video is downloaded. And upload section, videos. And just wait until it's downloading. I don't know why it's that slow now, but we never give up. We just wait until it will be downloaded. Till this, there is a new launch in a Canva. That will be 10th of April 2025. That will be a live event in as far as I know, it's in Los Angeles, but we can also join online, and we can learn we can see what is new in the Canva on this event. Hope so. That will be lots of new fantastic application settings, features. Okay, it's downloaded, so I just have to uploading. Just wait until this video is uploaded. 7 seconds, nice. So elements, I just need this see all. I need the paper. Okay, and was this video about London. Just replace background, and also have to shrink it, have to cut it to 7 seconds. See what is happening here. Yeah. Oops, there's something wrong with the video. Hope so it's not affecting anything. time to time we can see these things in online editing when something is a bit wrong or looks wrong, but when we are downloading, everything will be okay. So don't have to worry about these small glitches that could happen anytime with Canva, unfortunately, or any, actually I think in any online editing tool is happening. And yeah, it's typical in these online editors. But when we're downloading the whole project, everything will be nice. That's also have to be important. You have to keep in mind that when we see it on some glitches, what was in my screen, and don't worry until we're downloading the video and the video has the same effect. That's a big problem. But 99.9% of the cases, that's not happening. The video will be good when we are downloading. So I'm a bit curious about this. Okay, I think this portion of the L is still not in the screen. I just have to wait until it's uploading also. So meanwhile we can download everything, delete everything from the screen. Here I can see how is it happening. So I have to put this to the right side. As you can see, the London is already here. Have to cut to the more or less to the half, like this. And we only need one thing, is the shadow. We need a shadow effect. I will use this one. Rotate first. Now reduce the size, rotating till 90 degrees. And like this, yeah. Or if you wouldn't use another one, of course we can find any other of this shadow element, and this will be nicely used. So we can see what's happening. Yeah. I think that's also amazing. Like this. So this tutorial is almost in the end. Hope so you enjoyed it. If you like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva or with any other AI tools. Please visit my Facebook page also. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of application. So if you're also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.